Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be drawing for the first phase recharge event of Metro Zero. I have recharged 250 diamonds and spent 250 diamonds to get 24 tokens, and sorry, I already claimed the spend 100 free tokens, but at least we get to draw 24 times. So we already got the avatar border from the daily draws, and hope we can get maybe a recall or any of these effects during this draws. Let's go. And we got an emote. Oh, we can share to get something. It's called the fake share technique. Let's try tapping the rewards and hope we can get something. Let's not skip the animation. And we got another emote. Wait, this is a different emote. We already have 442 tokens. What's this? Spirit Gummy. So there are two different emotes, so I'm pretty lucky. Let's see all the other emotes that we have. Oh, we already got both of the emotes. We're lucky. So let's draw single. 10. Oh, we already have a duplicate emote. 12. Last. And we got nothing good except for the emote, which is not that good for me. Anyways, we have 485 tokens and we still have 17 days more in the event of daily draws, and we still have phase 2 coming, so I hope to get more. We are still far from the 1,200 needed for a skin, but hope we can get it soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.